Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making roasted potatoes. The first step is to peel, wash and cut your potatoes into equal sizes. Cover the potatoes with enough water and park it for about 10 minutes. Drain off the water and shake the potatoes so that they can become fluffy on the outside. Season with your favourite herbs and bake it at 200 degrees Celsius. Remove the potatoes from the oven during the cooking process and add some thyme and finely chopped garlic. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.